do something quick. So I printed these out. Otherwise parts will fall off, so you've got to check your drawing. Like there, look. If I cut that out, that bit's going to fall in. So we want that bit left on, so somehow we got to link, we got to alter the drawing to suit us. We got to transfer that onto that. It takes time, I know. Let's just do the bottom bit and we can see if it works. So I'm hoping that's going through there, which it is. Dot dashes sort of thing, you know, it won't. Keep that piece. Some pieces I exaggerated a bit more than needed, because I think once you cut it out, you might start losing bits, you know what I mean? Yeah, I would have been better with a Sharpie pen, but fair dues. We got it on there. I don't know what you can see there. Not a lot. There he is on there, see? Because people don't want to pay too much for these things, so if we can keep the price down, we know we live in a society of I want it now and I want it for nothing. We've all done the Star Vaders, the R2D2s, the Iron Mask Man fella. We've all done them, but I haven't seen one of these yet. So you've got to take your time cutting out, because if you cut out too much, it goes drastically wrong pretty quick and falls off, and then that means you've got to weld in on the inside out. Pity about that. You've got a seam right down there. That was a fucking bit of hogwash. So that's going to hold that. That's going to hold all that in, that bit there. Alright, it fucking does a bit, look at that. We'll have a go at this. I like to put the camera on first cut, because sometimes you do get a fluffer flame. A flame of fluffer. The famous fluffer. Right, I want that held here if possible. Like that. And there's another one somewhere. Comfortable. Right, before I turn around, I want your honest opinion. Are you ready? Who do you see there? I had to customize slightly, but what do you think? Will we continue or not? Yeah, I think we'll continue then, because you've got to use your imagination and pretend there's flames in there, obviously. Yeah, that's alright, I suppose, I don't know. Well, as their face is done, I've done silly feet. I want to keep it as basic as I can. I'm going to open the top up into a crown, because there was, of course, the kings of comedy. You knew, didn't you? There was, of course, the king of comedy. So I'm going to tidy up the top. It's like trying to change a nappy on a baby. Okay, long time ago, but we're going to try and use this hole. Ooh, that's nice. We're going to try and use that hole. Ooh la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la. I just can't get you out of my brain. I can just see the haters singing to that, you know. I'm still in their brain, folks. I'm still in their brain. I drew a crown, a crowny there. It's not exact, so don't beat me up after, all right? I'm going to try and do this in one evil sweep, so we can speed it up. Try and do it like that so you can see how fucking crazy I am. Around, around. Well, I've heard cracking and popping and shaking and rattling. Yeah, baby. Right, all we need to do now is pull these open a bit. And I'll put my hand in there. Yeah. With me. With my imagination, Willy Wonka, you're a fucking plonker. So we did that on the top of his head, crown jewels, because they were fucking great, alright? Anyway, I wanted to see what's wrong with this. I mean, I got a spare 10 minutes. I thought, oh God, the battery's due. I thought I'd take it apart and have a look. I'll just keep going till the battery. Oh, it's a solenoid there.
Well, here's another nice mess you've gotten me into.